Welcome back to another video, guys. As you can already tell from the box and the title, I have the Finalmouse Ultralight ULX what is it called, tiger size large with these names. This is the Finalmouse Ultralight X that you can purchase. I waited 4 months for this mouse. Oh my god, it's been so long, and I got this in the mail, and I thought it was gonna be bigger, but it was actually a pretty small box, pretty light, and I love the packaging and all that. But anyways, I daily drive the Death Adder V3 Pro, and I have the 4K dongle with it. And I got the Tiger because it is the same, almost the same dimensions as the Death Adder V3 Pro, and you'll see a comparison soon between the two in this video. And there's a lot to discuss here. This is just the unboxing and kind of my first impressions of the mouse. And right off the bat, just like, it feels really solid. It feels really good. This is batch 3 of the Finalmouse. I know they have like different batches and like stuff like that, and like they kind of roll them out kind of slowly, and when they sell out, they sell out. But yeah, here's the comparison between the Death Adder V3 Pro and the ULX. The ULX, oh my gosh, I thought my Death Adder was light. The ULX feels like air. It's just like nothing. And there's so much to talk about in the next video for this mouse, but just comparing the two, the ULX feels pretty good. The grips, it does come with grips on the side, like the Death Adder does, but not as much grips as the Death Adder, because the Death Adder comes with like grips for the top of the mouse for the left and right click. For the ULX, there's only grips for the sides, which kind of suck. And as you can see, there's a dongle here. It's pretty cool. It lights up, and it's basically just a light gaming mouse, and it's for probably those people that play with low sensitivity, I would say, because I play with decent sensitivity. I play at around like 1600 DPI, so I'm not flicking my mouse around like my desk a lot. So it's more for like kind of like people that play with low DPI settings, I would say. So this is the mouse for those kind of people. But if you play with like around 1600 DPI like I do, and you're not like moving your mouse around a lot, then you might enjoy this mouse too. And this mouse is like, what is it, $190, $200. It is pretty pricey, but it is a premium, I'd say premium mouse. It feels nice. Not a lot of settings. There's just an on and off switch at the bottom of the mouse that I showed earlier in the video, you can see, but it's just an on and off switch. Everything was easy to set up. The software is on their website. You don't have to download anything, which is awesome. There's only like 4 or 5 DPI presets, so you can't manually adjust like every single increment like you can with the Razer Synapse software. Everything is pretty straightforward to set up, and it was just like ready to go. It came halfway charged in the out of the box, and came with the cable, the dongle, and the mouse, and this guide, and the 2 like kind of grips, quote unquote grips. But it's a decent mouse. I want to do more of a comparison between this and the Death Adder soon, so I'll probably do another video of just kind of going more in depth about it. But so far I've been liking it. It did take me a while to get used to, just coming from the Death Adder V3 Pro, but so far so good. It's pretty solid, and I've gotten used to it. It's a nice mouse, and yeah, stay tuned, stay subscribed. Peace.